Hello, grade 3s and grade 4s, and welcome to Wellbeing with Miss Harkins today. Our learning intention is to connect with those I care about. To be successful today, I can brainstorm 10 ideas to connect with someone I care about. I can plan how to connect with someone I care about. Staying connected. Staying connected to other human beings is important for our mental health. It is also important for the mental health of those we care about. Examples of ways to stay connected: a family picnic, virtual dance party with friends, family games night, family walk bike ride, phone a grandparent and share your latest narrative or maybe a joke, eat dinner around the table. These are just some examples. There's lots and lots and lots of ways to be connected with other people. We want you to be really creative today. Your task for today: brainstorm and list 10 ideas of ways to connect with people you care for. Select your favorite idea. Write down your action plan and the steps you need to take for your idea to happen. So here is an example action plan. So this is one for a family picnic at the park. Ask parents what date we can have our picnic. Ask a as a family, decide which park to go to. Call Nan and Pop to invite them along. Ask everyone what food they would like for the picnic. Find picnic blanket and chairs. Help my parents pack the picnic. Help set up the picnic. Enjoy time with my family. So that is just an example of an action plan, the things that you will need to do for your picnic to happen. Have a great day.